So I did a little shopping at the Ipsy Store. Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine and I like unboxing stuff and showing you what I bought and stuff. So I got a giant Ipsy bag. It's not giant, but it has a bunch of stuff in it that I bought because they were on cyber sales. They're $1.99 to $5.99. Nothing was over $5.99. So first up, I got the LOVESCRIPT Your Body is a Temple Polish from Lawrence Francis. I thought this would be nice in the shower. I just hope it doesn't smell like roses or something. I don't mind the rose smell, but why can't I open it? Please don't smell bad. Because when I take a shower, I want to make sure I smell like the stuff I use. Oh, it's everywhere. Come on. It's stuck. It crystallized. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, yes. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells bougie. It smells expensive. Alright, so I'll be using that. Then I got the Danessa Myricks Beauty Infinite Chrome Micro Pencil in Lilac Quartz. I saw the Danessa Myricks and I'm like, I have to get it. She's a bougie brand, you know what I mean? And all her products that I got, I like. The only one I'm if about is the Wet Balm. I have it in rose. So this is what it looks like. What's this? It has an arrow. Is this supposed to come off or something? I don't know what that was and why it was there, but whatever. Oh, it's like a little chrome. Huh. All right, let's see. I can barely see it. It's right here. I can barely see it. How is this supposed to work in my eyes? Okay. Kind of disappointed of that. What's next? I got the SONÄGE Glow to Go Glycolic Acid Peel Pads. Instantly renew skin for burst of radiance. I have the SONÄGE Collagen Booster Cream. It's like a serum cream. Love it. Absolutely love. I can see a difference in my face after I use it. My face looks so much plumper. So nice. So I was like, when I saw this there, this was $3.99. I think original price was like 30 bucks. I don't know this brand good. I only know from what I bought. I got that cream from my box a couple months ago. Why won't this open? Okay. Oh, so it's just pads. What I'll probably do, is wash my face, use the pad, and then go on with my what's that called? Skincare routine. Oh, I gotta re-up on my Grande Lash serum. It's a tinted gel and brow enhancing serum. So I have one and I love it. So I bought this one. This was like $4.99. Then cyber hit and it was $1.99. So I ordered another one. So another one's coming to me after I already bought that. Okay, I think I got two more. This, I was shocked. I got it for $2.99. It's the OFRA Airbrush Setting Powder. I was totally shocked. This is the Berry Best Light Work. I think this is the pink one. I wanted to try it. I never tried pink powder. So I'm going to try it. All right, that's so nice. For freaking $2.99? Yes, please. And then last but not least, I got the e.l.f. This was $1.99 and I've been wanting to try it. So I'm doing e.l.f. face to see how I do. I have the e.l.f. foundation, concealer, the roller lash. I have the bronzer coming, and now I have the blush. Now I need a powder of e.l.f. powder because I want to do all e.l.f. And then do I have e.l.f. lippies? Only the oils, I think. That's all I got. I'm gonna have to get a lip liner too. Yeah, anyways. Yeah, so I got that to join. I saw that and I'm like, oh, I have to get it. It was only $2.99 or $1.99, something like that. During those cyber deals, I went ham on the $1.99. I have another package coming. I get a free bag with it because I bought so much. And I got my favorite hair oil and hair serum. I usually pay $16.99 at the store on the Ipsy Store. They were $11.99 and $7.99 the oil was. I was like, I gotta grab another one. I already have 4 serums and 2 oils, but I got backups because they're not gonna stay on the shops the whole time. I don't want to have to buy it full price. They're like $32. Like, how low? But yeah, that's all that my little mini haul of my Ipsy Store. And I'll have another one because I got a big package coming. I think it's like 10 items, to be honest. I went a little ham on the $1.99, $2.99. But that's all right. Bye, everyone.